followed this post, and now apparently pigeons run the government. Yeah. Today, we're learning how not to get lost online. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this is the Digital Survival Guide, helping you stay safe, smart, and totally Scoutadelic in the online wilderness. The internet is a massive forest. Amazing, but also very easy to get lost in. Today, we're learning how to navigate the info jungle. But don't worry, you're not going to need to be a tech expert. You just need a good map and a little common sense. So what are the traps online? Fake news. Fake news isn't always obvious. And it isn't always what some people tell you it is. But sometimes it can look real. It has a logo. It even has a news headline. But if it's designed to shock you instantly, there's a good chance it's leading you the wrong way. One article mentioned that there was a volcano happening in Tenerife. Didn't actually happen. Deep fakes. Now this one sounds scary, but it's simple. A deep fake is when someone uses AI or editing to make it look like someone said or did something they didn't. It's basically digital fancy dress. Ragebait. This is my personal favourite because it catches everyone, including me. Ragebait is content designed to make you angry so that you share it faster. If a post makes you angry in 2 seconds flat, that's your first cue to pause. So what skills do we need to check this? Well, when scouts go hiking, we don't just follow the first path we see. Online, it's the same. So skill number 1, check the source. Who posted it? Is it a real organisation or just Dave's new page 47? If you've never heard of the source, double check it. Skill number 2, reverse image search. Here's a magic trick. If you see a shocking photo, take a screenshot of it. You can either double click on your phone or print screen on your laptop. Then search that image through Google. It shows you where that image has appeared before, and sometimes you may discover that it's from 2012 in a completely different country. And skill number 3 is cross-checking. If something is real, then more than one trusted source is going to be talking about it. One post shouting loudly doesn't make it true. So some quick navigational rules. 1. Pause before you share. If it makes you angry instantly, pause. Strong emotions are fog in a forest. They stop you seeing clearly. Rule 2. Read beyond the headlines. Headlines are like trail signs. Sometimes they point you in different directions to the actual story. Rule 3. Ask who benefits. If someone's trying to sell you something, get clicks, start an argument, well, that tells you a lot. Finally, rule 4. Trust your scout instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. In this digital wilderness, we don't panic, we prepare. A map, a compass, and a little patience goes a long way. Be safe online, and above all, be a little Scoutadelic. Bye.